So I figured I'd talk a little bit about my ownership experience with the Mustang. It's been a freaking fruitful one. Most of the time, it's been absolutely reliable to me. Actually, I'm gonna retract that. It's been completely reliable to me. It's not like it's ever failed me in terms of like let me down and like left me stranded, God forbid. It's been completely reliable to me. And that lady just looked at me like, what in the world is on this guy's head? I got my GoPro on my head with the head strap. Anyway, car's been very reliable to me. I've been satisfied thus far with the power. I'd like a little bit more power now, so I might start modifying it now that the extended warranties, or excuse me, the factory warranty is done. I didn't want to get extended because I'd only be able to go through like Ford Performance or something like that, and although it's good, I'd like to try some access port stuff. Nothing crazy. I don't want to go stage 3. I want to keep it pretty mild, because even stage 2+, I hear you start running into some issues with those tunes, so the off-the-shelf tunes. So I'm not looking to blow anything up, God forbid. I just want to have a little bit more fun with a little bit more boost and some bolt-ons. That's about it. Car's still kind of warming up. Engine oil temp is low, as you could see there. I do not start hitting boost until that is normal. It's a big thing for these Ecoboost engines. I know for sure the Focus STs. So I just keep my Ecoboost in a healthy range most of the time, as much as possible. I absolutely love driving this car. I've had a bunch of sports cars, and there's no kind of feel that I've gotten like driving the Mustang. You know, my 3 Series and my GTI come pretty damn close. I did have a GTI when I was young, from about 19 to like 24, and from 24 to like, I actually know 19 to 23 with the GTI, and then like 24 to like about 26-ish with the 3 Series. Miss both of those cars very much, but you know, I had to move on to other things, long story short, and I got a couple daily drivers in between because life circumstances had changed for me when I was in my mid-20s. So stay tuned to my full review of my life, my introduction to me. Who am I? My name's Mike. I'm coming up with this Street Made channel, and Made is going to be my new brand. That's going to be my thing, and you're going to see me do a couple things with it, but I don't want to talk about it. I just want to do it, so you guys are going to see that. So just stay with me, and it'll be a cool journey. Now that we are in normal with the engine oil temperatures, I like to start giving it some beans. But we're in the neighborhood, so I don't give beans in the neighborhood. It's just not necessary. You got families and children. Speaking of beans, this car does not get enough credit where it's due. This car is 310 horsepower, 350 pound-feet of torque, and it is delightful to hit the power band in this thing. I've taken on a bunch of cars, and this is bone stock, okay? I have no mods whatsoever done to this. I'm sitting at almost 45,000 miles. Currently, we're at 44,955.8 miles of pure fun. And I was thinking like maybe I should trade up to the GT, but I was like, well, I'm gonna want a second car then. But I kind of want a second car already, just because I want to start doing some other things with that vehicle to bring in some extra cash. quick hit. Yeah, this thing definitely gets up and goes. It's the same motor as the Focus RS, to put in perspective, except this has a different head gasket, a more reliable head gasket, and the turbo is different. This, to my knowledge, is a conventional turbocharger system, like with the windmill inside the snail, for example, whereas the Focus RS is a twin screw turbocharger, so it essentially has the power of 2 turbos in one. However, that car is famously unreliable, unfortunately, and you can't get it brand new, and I wanted to get my car brand new, so I bought this in like early 2021, and it's a 20. So I'm gonna go more into detail about things, but for now I just want to do a quick little night cruise of POV. I just rolled up to my boy's crib. We're gonna grab some dinner, and yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out, and I'll see you soon. Street Made.